Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Get ready to explore the crazy world of XRP and find out why a sudden uptick in activity might completely change the crypto market. Here we will examine in detail the 600% increase in XRP's active addresses in the span of a week, as well as the reasons why major players are removing their XRP from exchanges. Here we are going to hear a tale of hidden whale movements, changing tides, and a supply shock that might rattle the market as a whole. Stay tuned, because the information we reveal could revolutionize your perspective on cryptocurrency trading. Now we can dissect it. Crypto researchers have recently made an irrational discovery. From 75,000 to nearly 463,000, the number of active XRP addresses skyrocketed, a 620% increase that has everyone talking. Why, though, is this important? When more addresses are active, it means more people are trading, storing, or moving XRP, which tells us something significant about what's going on behind the scenes, just like busy crossroads in a city. Now, if you've been keeping up with the cryptocurrency market for any length of time, you might have heard rumors of whales, or large-scale speculators, who possess enormous quantities of cryptocurrency. Well, a crypto influencer recently made a fuss about how whales are busy hoarding XRP and putting it in cold storage, while weak hands are selling it on exchanges. The crowd seems to be saying, "I'm not going to leave my coins here for anyone to grab," in layman's terms. While others are out haggling prices in the open market, you're hoarding your riches in a secret vault. Now, the fact that this change is taking place on Binance is a major indicator of it. Currently, it is among the best exchanges in the world. Data suggests that investors have pulled their XRP from Binance, causing the reserves to plummet. A tightening of supply might be indicated by the fact that XRP is slipping away from the exchange, as if a floodgate were opening. What then occurs when demand remains strong and supply becomes more constrained? In any case, the prices tend to skyrocket. Trading volume for XRP reached around $8 billion in a single day, indicating that the market is bustling with activity, and the cryptocurrency is now trading above the $2.45 range. The story, nevertheless, continues beyond that point. As time goes on, the XRP ledger receives a significant boost from whales' significant actions. The number of users adding XRP to the network has increased by more than 24% since the beginning of 2024, marking a record high for the XRP community. This brings the total number of accounts hosted by the network to almost 6.2 million. This represents an increase of 5 million accounts and additional trust lines. Those links, that is, that allow users to transfer funds over the network. Well, it shows that the XRP ecosystem is developing and expanding, which bodes well for its future prospects. The significance of this matter can be better understood if we now discuss it. Now, notice when big holders start removing their coins from exchanges and putting them in private storage, or cold storage, similar to a ledger. If you're unfamiliar with the website, you can find a link to it in the description below, otherwise, you can look it up. You can find out everything about cold storage and why they are essential for crypto investors, and it will lead you straight to the maker and director of the ledger. Now, it's like noticing a major player in a sport getting ready for a big game. You never know if they are preparing for a price rally or just trying to protect themselves from potential market swings when you see all these big moves. What is evident, though, is that such actions have often preceded major price shifts in the past. In their quest to decipher the signal that may suggest the next big break, traders are closely monitoring these movements. Let your mind wander to a crowded marketplace. You might be thinking that something major is about to happen if you noticed all the store owners were suddenly locking up their greatest products and not displaying them. Something is about to run out, or there will be a shortage, or you could miss out on a deal if you don't move quickly enough, or something along those lines. I thought that was the case with XRP, too. there is the coin. They aren't idly lingering on exchanges, gathering dust. Their meticulous storage suggests that they may be bracing for a scarcity, which might further inflate their price. The concept of a supply shock needs further exploration. Now, supply and demand are like two sides of the same coin in any market. When the former is low and the latter is high, the sellers win hands down. Current market conditions for XRP suggest that there may be insufficient supply to satisfy trading demand if the pattern of currencies being removed from exchanges persists. The rapid and often dramatic increase in price can be caused by this type of scarcity. If you're still not convinced that taking your coins off exchanges is the best course of action, then you should follow the ledger link in the explanation below, put them in cold storage, and contribute to the effort to reduce supply. This is starting to seem like a rare collectible that has just become even more uncommon. The price can increase dramatically if there is high demand. While crypto professionals and influencers, such as Ali Martinez and Steph, release statistics demonstrating these significant changes, there is also the human element to think about. Actual people making actual decisions with their money. It goes beyond digits displayed on a screen. It provides a glimpse into the sentiments of investors. It's a heartfelt response. Here we have an example of divergent tactics. Weak hands may be selling while whales are buying. At the first indication of difficulties, some investors are fleeing the market, but others are seizing the opportunity to keep onto their coins, sure that the market is going to heat up soon. Now, here's where things get really at least a lot more fascinating, right? There has been a pattern to the increase in active addresses and the removal of XRP from exchanges. Many in the cryptocurrency industry have been dropping hints about a bigger storyline involving them for months. More and more people are putting their faith in the XRP technology, as shown by the XRP ledger's expansion in both accounts and trust lines. This confidence has the potential to lead to more users, stronger network security, and a flourishing ecosystem, all of which can boost the token's value. Seeing my video is an honor. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye for now.